Good morning, people. It's late April and the sun is shining, and that means it's time to get my bike out of the shed. So I'm on my way to the bus station right now. Got my helmet with me, and there's no script today. I just want to take you with me, guys, today. I did some improvements, some maintenance at the bike, and it's time to do the first ride of the season actually today, and show you what I did. I did some improvements in the helmet. I will show you later. I have better audio. Hey, Guy! So yeah, let's see what they will bring. Smell of cow shit. Yes, back in Zeeland. Wrong way. The reason that I take the bus, let me stand here for the light, is because I cannot store my bike properly in Rotterdam. And so yeah, last winter it was in the garage of my father. Does not say I'm not driving in the winter, but I had to do some maintenance last winter, and I thought, shit, you know what, I'll take it out of the insurance, put it there in store, so I had time to do those things. But now, sun's out, guns out, I mean bike out, and first I'm going to my grandma for a coffee. Didn't see her for a while, and yeah, that's those kind of things you have to do, right? People all are looking weird at me. It's a guy talking to a camera. We don't know this shit here. So here we are, guys. We're at the bike in the garage. But as you can see, I have to make this mess. I have to clear it up. The bike is good to go, so it's just a matter of clearing up this space, and then I will talk about the things I did at the bike. But I'm gonna do the microphone in my helmet I installed. So that's actually immediately a good test for this setup. Let's go. Okay, guys. I cleaned up the mess a little bit, so yeah, we are good to go. I want to show you first one more thing before we take off, and that's the way I'm gonna mount my GoPro with the microphone, because that's one of the things I did recently to make this season better, from a better level about vlogging. So here we have the GoPro, and you need a special adapter. And that's this thing. It's from GoPro, and this will convert your audio to the connection, and that it will capture everything nicely. If you want to see a video about this, then I can recommend you the YouTube channel from Slapside. And I don't know if this Slapside does it about the GoPro 7 and higher. Anyhow, I will put some links. I'm gonna mount this stuff to the helmet. And then I put a microphone inside the helmet. Here is the jack that comes out. I put it behind the cheek cushions. Do I say this correctly? It's a lavalier microphone. It's a small microphone, and you can put it everywhere. And if you want to know more about this technical stuff, then look for it on YouTube. You will find a lot. Enough talking. Now we are really good to go. Almost good to go. Doei. Alright, cold start. After from here a few weeks now running. Let's see. I'm standing here now in the acre. I was planning to make some nice shots, but it's the second day actually. Yesterday it started to rain, but I forgot my SD card of my camera. So luckily we got the iPhone. Anyhow, we're going to check now how the audio is out of the GoPro, or actually out of the helmet, out of the microphone that I mount into the helmet. So let's check this out, and I'm gonna tell you guys something about the maintenance I did. Yeah. So yeah, guys, let me tell you what I did so far last winter. It was late October, and I brought my bike back to the garage of my father, so I can't work on it. I had some stuff to do, and you know, I had the problem with the starter. Oh, so yeah, that's the problem with the starter. And I had the switch of the turning signal that was not working anymore. So these were the two major things I had to do, and yeah, let's see what's here. I hope the audio is good, and ooh, there's a lot of wind now, so I'm very curious how this is going to sound. But yeah, Ben, stick to the story. Don't go here. Yeah, of course we go here. So I mounted a new starter, and it seems the problem is gone. So the starter is working correctly. I don't have the error warning of my ABS system. So I read also on the forum that the warning in my ABS system was related, or can be related, to the starter. So, and yeah, then I ordered a spare part from another type of BMW, an RT, and I had to weld the wires together. And then I had the turning signal again. What did I do more? Oh yeah, I changed the switch of my fog lights. This one, I ordered the fog lights on AliExpress because of course a Ben budget biker, and it came with a very shitty switch, so I had to change this. It's now behind this, maybe you can see it a little bit. No, oh wait, end of the road. But that's why I have Michelin Anarchy tires. Actually, I have a whole story on YouTube about those tires. Oh, fuck. Yeah. This is the shitty part when you don't turn off your ABS system. So yeah, I did the switches of the fog lights, or the switch of the fog light. What else did I do? The cable of the speed meter was broken. And what I did when I had to, oh yeah, the drain of the fuel cap was clogged, so I had to clean this. And when I had my tank pulled out of the bike, pulled off, there I saw a lot of, what is this? There I saw a lot of wires that I had to reassemble. That how do you call it, when you put a new black isolation around it? I saw all the colors, and this has to be black. So this is what I did, and yeah, here we are. I don't have the money to buy a brand new bike or a big nice GS, but I'm happy with this one, of course. But yeah, that comes with a price, so sometimes you have to do some maintenance, and you know, you also get to know your bike much better if you do this kind of stuff. So yeah, that's it, guys. I have two more things that I have to do. The spring or the shock absorber, it's good as gone, and yeah, if you know someone who can make shock absorbers like new, let me know in the comments. He has to live in the Netherlands, of course, because there is where I live, and I hope guys, and I hope yeah, it's doable to fix this quickly. It will cost a lot of money, of course, and so that's the thing but it's very important that you have good shock absorbers. So that's it. I hope the audio is good, and if it is, I can do more of this kind of talking, you know, driving, talking, and yeah, it makes it much more fun. So I'm not driving alone, but I'm driving with you guys, and yeah, I have some other things to share with you, bike related stuff, and I can make a video about why I have this YouTube channel, where I bought this bike, and but for now I think this episode is long enough bullshit, and guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.